Most people think 3D art is about details, but before details comes shape, and shape can carry emotion completely on its own. A single curve can feel elegant, aggressive, fragile, calm, and before materials, before texture, before realism, the silhouette already tells the story. Welcome to level 4. This level is about rhythm, not detail, not realism, rhythm. A base is one of the purest shape exercise in design because the entire object lives or dies through the silhouette alone. At this stage, tiny movements matter. Just few pixels can completely change the personality of the form. This curve controls tension. A wider body feels grounded, a narrow body feels elegant, a sharp neck creates pressure, soft transition creates calmness. And honestly, my first attempts was not good. The body has no flow, silhouette felt confused, and I used more geometry instead of interpolating the curves. That's the dangerous thing about the smooth object. They look simple until your eyes start noticing proportion mistakes everywhere. Here's something important. If your silhouette works in complete darkness, the design actually works everywhere else too. That's why professionals constantly check their silhouettes, because the brain reads shape before detail. And this is where Blender starts feeling magical again. One clean profile becomes fully manufactured object, and notice how reflection travel smoothly across surface. That only happens when the form flow is clean. And another tip, most beginners use too many control points. Try to force smoothness manually, which creates bumps and uneven reflections. But fewer points create cleaner surfaces. Let Blender interpolate the curve naturally. Control less, shape better. For level 4, we keep material simple again because this level is not about decoration, it's about flow. If silhouette feels beautiful, the render already wins half of the battle. And here you go, the final result.
Gonna sit with you, girl, never read you
Now, common mistakes are proportional blindness. This one is the biggest one. It kills completely organic flow into boring industrial pipe. So keep an eye on these mistakes while building a vase. And that's level 4, a base but also a lesson in visual rhythm. You're not just learning Blender anymore, you are training your eyes to feel safe. Now your mini challenge is to create a base with personality. Ancient, minimal, royal, sci-fi, elegant, broken, doesn't matter. What matters is silhouette control feels intentional. Render it, upload it, and include the hidden code work 4 levels down, and now your eyes are starting to see curves differently. Next level, balance.